Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Today we'll be taking you guys along with us to the salon to show you the protective hairstyle that has been responsible for our hair growth over the years. If you're curious to know what it is, kindly keep watching. So guys, we headed to the salon for a wash, blow dry and protective hairstyle braid up. This was a really good salon in Lagos, Nigeria that we recently discovered. After a wash and steam session, she gently detangled my hair before proceeding to blow dry it. As you guys can see, I've been able to retain my hair length by the most simple underrated tip for hair growth, which is leaving your hair alone. Guys, let me let you in on a secret. The first time we were able to get our hair to waist length was during the pandemic when we applied this simple tip. That year, we had a hair growth oil recipe that went extremely viral here on YouTube, which we used simultaneously with this one hairstyle. And let me tell you, our hair grew to waist length. Through maximum effort, we have been able to retain that length over the past few years. Guys, the game changer for us trying out this hairstyle was retaining length. In the past, our hair would always get to shoulder length and struggle. It took years to realize the level of friction we were exposing our hair to just by having our hair out every day for the entire year. As you guys can see, this hairstyle is extremely simple, can be done at home by yourself or by a professional at the salon. It is affectionately called pigtails or plaits, but also referred to as boho braids. It can literally take under an hour to do this hairstyle, and it is low maintenance whilst giving you easy access of products to your scalp. Guys, we have tried a variety of protective hairstyles and we have intentionally stayed away from box braids and various others, as it was either dehydrating to our scalp, manipulating our hair strands, or thinning out our edges. Box braids can be done tastefully to maintain your hair volume, but guys, something about braiding or twisting smaller pockets of hair strands together just doesn't sit well with me. Secondly, if the box braids are not detangled or unbraided with proper care and moisture, this can be detrimental to your hair or even lead to hair loss. This is why we opted for a low manipulative hairstyle like this, which we do every few months to allow our hair to take a break from the everyday friction. In general, if you want to see less breakage or setbacks, you need protective or low manipulative hairstyles. It's best to find styles that keep your hair off your shoulders so it's less likely to rub against your clothes and promote breakage. The hack is actually to put your hair in a protective style for a month whilst using a DIY products that stimulate hair growth, and then watch your hair grow. So guys, now she is done with my hair and I believe she did a good job. It's super neat and not too tight as I requested. I also opted for some goddess hair strands just to give the hairstyle some dimensions, and I love it. What do you guys think? Did you think she did a great job? Would you ever try a hairstyle like this? Let me know in the comments down below. So guys, the hair care routine with a hairstyle like this will simply start with a liquid moisture like our aloe vera water or our rose water hairspray. We would go in by lightly misting the scalp and braids just to get that moisture in. After that, we would then go in with a hair growth oil, our DIY hair growth oil, using the oil dropper for easy access. Then lastly, we would go in to seal with our DIY Moringa butter. This ensures the hair is moisturized despite being in a protective hairstyle. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly comment down below your protective hairstyle of choice, and if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.